Hi, welcome to the Carsnouva Channel. This time we will discuss the new 2025 Infiniti QX60. The second version of Infiniti's QX60 midsize SUV came out in 2022. It had a slimmer body and a nicer interior. The 2025 Infiniti three-row SUV doesn't look very different, but it does get a lot of improvements. The most significant change is the replacement of the 295 HP 3.5-liter V6 engine with the V6 turbo engine, which debuted in the 2019 QX50. The V6 turbo, a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, employs a variable compression ratio system to enhance fuel efficiency without compromising speed. The inline-4 engine has 268 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque, which is 27 horsepower less than the old V6, but 16 pound-feet more. Not all QX60 trims come with all-wheel drive. The top-of-the-line autograph trim does. Front-wheel drive is normal. All models use a 9-speed automatic gearbox. It costs an extra $1,900 for the 2025 QX60 Luxe trim, which comes with a Black Edition package. The package adds shiny black trim to the roof rails, grille surround, and outside badges, as the name suggests. It also comes with a set of black 20-inch wheels. Both the kick plates in the doors and the Infiniti sign in the grille feature lighting. There are 3 colors to choose from: mineral black, majestic white, and harbor gray, a new color. Inside, the only thing that's different is the black roof. One more thing that comes with the QX60 Luxe is a 17-speaker Bose sound system. There are also changes for 2025, such as a new key fob design that can lock or unlock the car automatically when the driver goes towards or away from it. The base pure trim of the 2025 QX60 will cost $51,550 when it hits showrooms this month. This is $550 more than last year. It will cost an extra $2,000 to add all-wheel drive. The Luxe trim's price has increased by $1,100 to $58,150. The Sensory trim's price has only risen by $50 to $60,450. The autograph trim, which starts at $67,500, is the top-of-the-line QX60.